Welcome to the Craft Galaxy of Annalicious. Today I am going to show you how to make this window slider card. I have made it on birthday theme. You can change the theme you want. You can see in these windows I have write the birth date. It's up to you what else you want to write. Subscribe and click the bell icon to get new updates. I have already cut the pieces so you can easily understand how to cut it. You can change the size according to your choice. Paste the text you want to write on this card. Now make a small cut to insert this slider. Now we are going to paste it. Don't paste it too tight, let the slider work easily. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and share.